Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Many of you had been asking me for a salad using local vegetables found in Sri Lanka. So here's my version for a salad that all of you can try at home. Start by cleaning the Lasia stalk, which is called as Kohila Ala. This is commonly found in Sri Lanka and is very healthy with its high prevalence of fiber. I prefer to cut thin long slices. I like it this way. You can chop it very fine if you like. Kohila Ala helps to clean the colon and our digestive system. Next, you need Gotu Kola. This is usually eaten raw. You may use any green leaves like tebu because Sri Lanka is blessed with healthy greenery. So here I am using just whole leaves of Gotu Kola. You may chop it if you like. And Sri Lankan cucumber or pipinya. Remove the bitter latex from the ends and slice them thin like kohila. You may or may not use the seeds. And for a sweet and tangy touch, I sliced in half mango. You can also use umbrella or apples. Finally, a bit of chopped onion. And for the dressing, I'm adding thick coconut milk, juice of a lime, pepper powder and salt. Mix it well and pour it on your salad. This salad was the best I ever had. Please try this out and let me know if you liked it. See you again with another video. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy.